Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy, and today I thought I'd just bring you guys through a couple of hairstyles that I have been going for with my 4-week-old ombre box braids. Yeah, I've had these braids on for about 4 weeks and they're starting to get unraveled at the crown, as you will see during the rest of the video. And yeah, these are just hairstyles that I go with to just stretch my braids out for a little longer, but they are not just limited to box braids. You guys can try on these hairstyles if you have your natural hair out, or if you're just not bothered to be dealing with your hair, or if you're having a bad hair day, lazy day, the whole shebang. You guys can definitely try out these hairstyles. I'll be using a couple of scarves and bandanas that I have around, but you guys can try them out with anything that you have laying in the house, any piece of cloth, and sometimes even t-shirts can get the job done. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see this fun video, then please keep on watching. Hello guys, so now as you can see, I'm just gathering up all my braids and twisting them around each other just to create this simple bun. I have my braids are quite long, so I can do this without a hairband, but if yours are shorter you can get a hairband. And then I'm just taking this black bandana and I fold it into 2 times. I fold it into a triangle and then 2 times from there, and I just tie a simple knot at the crown of my head. And this is one way that I like to do it. And yeah, just make sure that all the braids are set in and I'm covering the roots of my hair. And then the second way I like to do it is this way, where I just instead of tying 2 knots, I just tie one and the loose ends just fit into the rest of the bandana, as you can see. I think this knot is quite classy, and this look is, yeah, just quite simple to do if you don't want too much. And for the next one, we are going with this large leopard print scarf, which I just cross at the front and I tie around my bun. If you have natural hair or you don't have braids, you could actually make that bun with another scarf inside and just twist the scarf around it to create this huge hair or huge bun effect. And I love this look. It is super cute, don't you think? We are going back with that bandana, and for this look I am taking a red bandana which I fold into a triangle and then twice again, and then after that I will just take the knots and the loose ends and leave them out. I noticed depending on how you tie the knot, this look could actually be a hit or a miss, because the knots can actually come to the front of your face. So you could just fiddle with it a little until you hit that cute spot. And yeah, I think this look is super preppy and just a cute classic bandana scarf look that you can go for. It works every time. After this, you can just take your bun down like I did here, and you can do the same look but with your hair down. And then for the next hairstyle, we're going to take the same bandana and just open it up so that it's back to the triangle shape, and just bring it over your forehead, just right above your eyebrows, and just tie a knot at the back, putting the triangular end inside the knot so that it's not sticking out. Just neaten it up so that it looks good, as you can see here. Also, it would be nice to just put the patterns like straight in the middle of your head. That just makes it look way better. And yeah, I really love this look. It's been trending for a while and I think it is super cute. for this next one, we are using this orange scarf with tassels at the end, and this is one of my favorite scarf hairstyles to do. So you just put it over your head and twist rather the loose ends around each other so that you create this like unicorn looking effect at the top of your head. And this look is one of the ones I definitely go for when I'm like secretly deep conditioning my hair and I have somewhere to go. I think it's super cute and no one would ever tell. So for this next one, we are taking that black bandana again and folding it into a triangle. Here I was just trying to get the exact positioning. So what we're doing is just a reverse of the last style we did with the red bandana. And yeah, you just put the triangle at the front of your head and tie one knot, and then just fit the loose ends into that knot, and you'll get an effect that looks like this. As you can see, you might have to do it a couple of times just to get it right and just to get it fitting securely. Also, it would be nice, again, as I said, to just make sure the patterns are completely straight. That just gives it that you tried kind of look, and it doesn't look so rough. It doesn't look like just a random piece of cloth that you put on your head, but it looks pretty intentional in just how you did it. So that is the look there. This is also one of my faves that I recently discovered, and I am loving it. So for this next one, you will need a hair tie or hairband, whatever you have lying around. Here I just used a black one, and I tied a top knot using the braids that I have at the front of my head. And then I just went in with that bandana again, tied it into a triangle, and then fold it twice. And I just placed it at the roots of my head, and I hid the loose ends inside so that they're not visible. You can wear it like this, with where you open up the top knot and wear it to both sides, or you can wear it on one side like this. And yeah, I think this one is super cute, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.